with another one.
Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. back with another video. Here in front of you is a 2011 BMW X5 e70, and today we're going to show you how to change out the passenger side interior inner door handle. Let's get started. Alright guys, as you can see all that sticky stuff all in the interior part of this door handle. Over time, this back piece right here, it's like a rubberized back piece. It just starts to melt away, probably due to the sun and the car just sitting in the sun. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to remove this and put on a new piece that's not rubber. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is get you some type of pry tool, you know, like a fishbone or anything. And what you're going to do is you're going to stick it right here. Push down in there and just pull out, just like that. As you can see, this is the part that's clipped on. It's a clip here. And then it just pops it off. Alright, so you have 3 screws that's holding this door handle on. You have a T20 here, a T20 that's in the inside here, and then you have a T10. So we're going to start by taking the T20s out and then the 10. I'm going to start with the deeper one first. And there you go. That's one screw. The other one's here. So the top one is a shorter screw and the bottom one is the longer screw. Now let's take out the T10, which is right here. And that's just a small T10 screw. Now this whole piece should just come off. And there you go. See all that rubber that's all melted? Every time somebody would grab this door handle, they would get black stuff all over their hands. So we have the new one here. Like I said, this one's just plastic. Goes in this way. Now when you purchase these, you have to make sure that you get the right ones. This one right here is for the passenger front. So you got to make sure you get the right one. I'll have a link in the descriptions where to get this one from. But all you do is just butt it up like that and then put the screws back in. So the first one I'm going to put in is the T10 right here. Just like that. Now remember, the shorter screw goes at the top, which is this one with the point on the end. Just like that. And then the longer screw goes at the bottom. It doesn't have a point on it. Just go straight in. Just like that. I'm just giving it a little extra turn. I'm gonna grab it, make sure it's on there. That's good. All right, so the way to put the trim piece back on is to just line it up just like that, and you can just press it down, and that's it. And then I give it a couple hits, and that's it. You can see how we got some of this black stuff still on here, so I'm going to wipe that off. See if we can get this off. There we go. So that's off. And that's it, guys. That's how you remove and install the interior door handle for the passenger side front. Alright guys, this is J.O.A.T.D. and I'm out.